Program. Details and inclusions. All workplaces where employees are or could be exposed to hazardous chemicals must have a written HCS plan. This plan must show how all of the HCS requirements are being met. Information included and explained in the written program: chemical inventory, training and information, policy and purpose, safety data sheets, labels and labeling, other employers' employees, and responsibility. Beginning with policy and purpose. Policy and purpose describes the importance of why a HCS program is in place. This should outline the who, what, when, where, and why of the HCS program. Responsibility in the written program should be broken down by different tasks describing who is responsible for each task. These tasks include identifying hazardous chemicals, preparing or implementing the written program, in-house labeling, labeling shipped containers, providing information and training programs, obtaining or maintaining SDSs. Chemical inventory. Included in this section of the written program is, number 1, a list of hazardous chemicals used in the workplace. This includes the name on the chemical inventory, which must correspond to the SDS and the container label. You must make certain an SDS is available for every chemical on the inventory. An inventory should be dated and include detailed information on each chemical, such as quantity, location, and manufacturer. The chemical inventory section of the written program also must include how the inventory is kept up to date. For example, when chemicals can be removed or added. It must also contain the specific location of each chemical inventory, and the inventory must include chemicals stored or taken off-site for use in a different location. The safety data sheets in the written program must include: number 1, how safety data sheets are received, managed, and kept. Number 2, who is in charge of maintaining the SDSs. Number 3, the process in place for obtaining missing SDSs. Labels and labeling. This section of the written program should describe the labeling requirements of incoming hazardous chemicals, as well as the process and responsibility of relabeling hazardous chemicals if they are placed into secondary containers. Training and information. This area should detail how HCS training is done, what will be included, the method for documenting that the training was completed, when training should be repeated, as well as how contract workers will be trained. Other employers' employees. The written plan must also include how information will be given to employees from a different employer. Other employees must know where SDSs are kept and where personal protective equipment is located. A well-written hazard communication program will ensure that all of the key components of HCS are in place. Written copies must be available to any employee upon request.